Alright, what's going on, guys? I hope everybody's doing good. Today I'm gonna be doing a radio swap on my car, and yeah, just gonna show you guys how it's done. It's pretty easy and simple, so let's get right into it. Alright, so this is the wire harness adapter. Pretty easy. It comes with instructions, but it's color coordinated to the stereo, so it's not that hard. You can get these on Amazon for pretty cheap, but yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I got the stereo wires all hooked up now. So you can see this is the speaker ones right here. Pretty straightforward, color coordinated and everything. See, purple with purple, and has like a little stripe on one of them for the negative. Anyways, yeah, I got that one. And like I said, this adapter makes it a lot easier. So I would definitely recommend getting one so you don't have to cut and splice on the actual OEM one. This one fits right there like normal. Got the power and the accessories and all that. Looking for a ground to hook it up to for now. Got the accessories one all hooked up, and then I'm waiting on a noise power line filter for this constant 12 volt since I'm getting a lot of static. And then once I get that in, I'll show you and we'll pop this new stereo in. All right, so I got the noise filter. Here's what it looks like. Got it on Amazon for like 18 bucks. What I'm using to connect this little noise suppressor is these posi taps. Pretty simple. This gray piece goes onto the wire you need to tap into, aka this black ground wire, which I grounded to there. And then you got this middle piece that transfers. You got the pointy side right here with the needle, and that one goes into the gray. And then you have this one with the open hole in the bottom, and that's how you slide in the one that you need. And these are pretty sweet. Don't have to solder, no cutting, and they're removable and reusable. So just testing if it works, and it does. I'll turn it up so y'all can hear it. All right, don't want to get copyright, so yeah, that's all you get. But I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all this wiring, and I put it back together and show you all the after results. And this is a stereo I went with. Got it at Walmart for like 107 bucks, 110 probably. But yeah, I'm gonna put it back together. I can't really give a review since I just installed it, but maybe later on if y'all want, I can give a review. And I changed the ground to right here. There's a lot less noise coming through there, so it's perfect, no alternating wind there. And then I did hook up everything with just the T-connect, because it made it a lot easier. I didn't really want to splice, it felt lazy. Have the power filter, and then yeah, this one's connected to the front windshield wiper fuse down there by the foot kick panel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple install. You got instructions here. Like I said, it's a lot of color coordinating. The aftermarket harness won't be the same color as the OEM, but I mean, it'll still do the job, obviously. But let me get it back together and I'll get back to you guys. All right, so the new radio is in, and I'm gonna be putting it back together, but I didn't record me taking it apart just because I've done it before on a previous video. But just a quick recap on how to do it. So this is just all bolted on by just a whole bunch of clips essentially. Only like maybe one screw holds it right there. Technically two, but I'll show you what I mean. So you got some holes right here. These two, these are 7mm. They look like, hold on, they look like this. Anyways, there's two of them here that hold this plastic skirt over here on the side. You take that off. First you pop this off, and then you take that off. This just pops off, like I said, clips. And then once you get that done, you open this up, then you remove two of the bolts here. That's the one I showed you in the front. And then you just pry it out and it slowly pops out of place. And you got to remove the shifter. And to take it out, it's easier having this glove box open. And I've seen a lot of people, you know, loosen this screw up and this one to help, but honestly I didn't this time, and it still came out. And then you just gotta disconnect the connectors, and then you have this traction button. Be careful, the top piece likes to bump, like just disappear, but I have it in here. It should look like this. It's just for the button, but be careful not to lose this, as this will not work without it. But anyways, I'll get it back together and then show you how it looks after. Alright, so the radio's all in. Only thing I have complaints about is this little tiny slit right here on both sides, but honestly, like from right here, I can only see that one, so it doesn't bug me too much. Anyways, the install is pretty easy. This one did come in with the remote, but we got the reverse camera.
I'm gonna do in the egg. I'm looking at.
And yeah, pretty sweet little radio. Interface is not too bad. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this install and wanting to learn how to install other stuff, and if I'm gonna do it to mine, I'll let you guys know how to do it. But if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. But here, before I leave, got you.